Okay, I've mentioned before that on holiday weeks, things tend to be pretty quiet on our end unless the wheels really start to come off the wagon. Hi, my name is Russell McDonald. I'm a mortgage broker with Tradmore here in the San Francisco Bay Area. I've been doing this for almost 28 years. Here is how some of the current events that are going on right now might affect your pocketbook today if you need to purchase or refinance your home anytime soon. Mortgage rates today, they were very slightly worse than on Friday. It's basically been pretty flat. So, basically we're in kind of a sideways movement as far as rates go. Stocks, however, were having a fantastic day. We had the Dow up over 28,000 again. Both the NASDAQ and S&P hit record highs again today. So what's causing the stock market to move like this? Well, news from China is making it look again like we might have a workable solution in this trade war. The Chinese president, Xi Jinping, says specifically that he wants to work toward a phase 1 trade agreement with the United States, as he says, on the basis of mutual respect and equality. It seems a little bit weird. Why would he talk about mutual respect and equality? Doesn't that sound a little off base? We're talking about trade, anyway, it's a trade war. Remember, there's a bill waiting for President Trump to sign that condemns China and supports the Hong Kong protesters. Xi basically thinks this is none of our business, He has said that they will retaliate if the bill is signed because he considers it to be a gross interference in China's internal affairs. Basically, Hong Kong isn't up to us. So anyway, President Trump says he may veto the bill, and he says he supports the Chinese and his friend Xi Jinping, but that he also supports the Hong Kong protesters. Does this make sense to any of you guys? Anyway, the bill was passed with an outrageously veto-proof majority. So even if President Trump vetoes the bill, it may get overwritten. Just how popular was this bill? Okay, look, the Senate passed it with a unanimous vote. When's the last time those guys ever decided to be unanimous on anything? They can't agree on anything that goes on. House passed it 417-1. So I think Congress is going to send a message no matter what happens. Now, some really interesting things that Xi Jinping has said publicly is, we didn't initiate this trade war. This isn't something we want. But he also said, when necessary, we will fight back, but we have been working actively to try to not have a trade war. Okay, what does all this mean for you? Well, if the trade negotiations fail, stock market's going to probably take a beating, and mortgage and treasury rates will move lower. Over the past month, this is a topic that's been on again, off again, that's been causing the most movement in interest rates. So, like I said before, somebody making a lot of money on these market movements. If you have any questions on any of this or anything to do with mortgages, real estate, or credit, please hit me up. As I said before, I've been doing this a long time. I almost definitely have experience that can be helpful for your specific situation. Thanks for watching.